Subscribe.
So let me show you those two things, how to enable the alert feature and how to check to see when was the last time your S Pen was detached from your smartphone. What you want to do, you want to go to the settings, and then you want to go into advanced features, then tap on S Pen, and then scroll down just a little bit, and you'll see something that says alarm. And basically right now it's enabled, and it says sound and alarm if you walk away with your phone without inserting the S Pen and the screen is off. So the screen has to be off in this scenario, and let's say you're walking away, boom, you're gonna get the alarm. So make sure this option is enabled by default. There's no reason this option should be off. And then if you look at the bottom here, right now I have the S Pen out of my device. So it's gonna say last detached 10/30/2017 at 10:21 p.m., which wasn't too long ago. But again, it gives you a little clue as to when you had your S Pen the last time. And of course, for those of you guys who are curious as to what kind of message you'll see if you do walk away with your your phone without the pen, this is exactly what you'll be seeing right here.